I do it fast only if I take it slow. From the beginning, this is my goal. No matter.
Hey guys, my name is Steph and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling my laundry room as part of my decluttering series. I got some amazing things from Amazon and the Dollar Tree. Now remember, I'm trying to do this decluttering series and organization under a budget. You don't have to break the bank in order to do something nice for your house. Also, a mini update on my office. I finally finished my office, but I did a lot of changes, and there are things that I mentioned that were going to be in this room, but I ended up switching it out, and you guys will see on that part of this video. So let's jump in on the laundry room.
know you're not treating everyone like that. No way you're eating just anyone like that. What a good view, looking at you do what you do. It's worth the wait if it's anything like that. Been a while, but the memory's on tap. Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose, I'm giving to. Still know my curves, right? Memory serves right, but I had control, wanted to keep you in line. With those hands on me, I slip right out of my mind. Keep looking at me, boy. Take time on my knees, whatever you like, 'cause you're always on mine. You're the only boy. Don't make me say please, it's been.
Alexa, let there be light. So I got this light on Amazon, and I will have it linked on my Amazon shop. Now, this room was really dark, and when I was filming, it was like the most hardest thing ever. I do have a huge studio light, but it is sometimes a pain to carry that around and try to film things. So hopefully this light will make my videos a little more clearer, I hope. But this is connected to my Alexa. Forget it. And so it also changes color. Alexa, turn light red. Alexa, turn light purple. Oh, it's a vibe in here. Alexa, turn the light on white. So this is like the greatest thing. I installed it for the first time ever. Yes, wires were involved. It was really, really easy to install. I definitely recommend this. This was $39, which is great, and it's really big, and look how it lights up this room. So check this out if you want this light. It is great. Again, I'll have it linked on my Amazon storefront. I wanted to show you the final look to my office. Now, I did mention in the last video that I bought a chair, and yet you're still seeing the same old chair here. Well, I decided that the other chair that I got, it's going to be put into my bedroom. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I'm going to put a video here. I had like what looked like a lamp tower, and it had some of my Snoopy stuff, which is now up here with this new shelf. Also some of my books, which I have down here now. And then I got this really cool vinyl record player. I do have my very first vinyl coming in. I ended up buying the new Bad Bunny album, and I can't wait to play it on this vinyl record. So I'm waiting for that to be sent out. With the chair again, I'm gonna keep this chair until I find a brand new chair. I'm not gonna lie, this chair is, I mean, this is a very comfortable chair, and I fall asleep on it often. So I want to keep it until I buy a brand new one. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I'm gonna have it on the back burner for now. So I'm keeping this chair. The new chair is gonna go downstairs. I'll probably show you guys the chair in another video. When it comes to my room, I am not gonna be filming my room because that is, in my opinion, my private sanctuary, and so I don't want to do a reveal or transformation and record it. So, but we will be working on the closet and the bathroom in my bedroom downstairs. So for now, this is the transformation. I'm gonna have more videos. I'm gonna show you the final reveal, but this is my new office.
Always on mine. You're the only boy. Don't make me say please, it's been enough time. I'm your best in your mind.
I would like to also add this in. This I found at Disney in Magic Kingdom. It's a little lamp. You can barely tell it's on because of the light on right now, and it's touch. It's amazing. It's battery powered, and it's so cute. I really love it, and it goes perfect with my desk.
I tried behaving, not so patiently waiting. Still know my curves, right? Memory serves.
Guys, I love how my laundry space turned out. Everything is organized, everything is appealing to the eye compared to before. It's so much more functional now. I like to know what you guys liked about my laundry room. Now remember, I do have everything on my Amazon storefront at Main Street Steph. So everything like the folding table that I showed you, as well as the containers where I have the laundry detergent, the fabric softener, and the bleach, all of that is on my Amazon storefront. So check that out if you're interested. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. Next week, we are finally going downstairs and we are going to be tackling my storage closet as well as my entrance closet. There is a lot of junk and I really need to organize that storage closet because every time I open it, you will see next week. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Day after day.